Tonight I'm going to be making a very nice brunch casserole, and it only has 2 ingredients, and they're both from the Dollar Tree. One of the ingredients is these French toast sticks that you can find in the freezer area, and the other ingredient is a can of cherry pie filling. So I'll be back in a moment and we'll put it together. Alright, I've gone ahead and opened the cherry pie filling, and I'm just going to put that straight in the mixing bowl right now. And this filling is about, let's see, the can says it's 15 ounces. Though, you know, this recipe is very flexible. You could add more, have a bigger can. I wouldn't go for anything smaller than this, but if you had 2 cans you wanted to use, or apple pie filling that was a little bit bigger or something like that, then you'd still be good. The recipe is very forgiving. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and spray the inside of the dish I'm going to use. I always spray. It seems to make the cleanup a little easier. I took the French toast sticks out of the package and laid them on a cutting board. Generally, they want you to bake them from frozen. However, I wanted to cut these up so we didn't put these huge sticks in there. Instead, we had some more smaller, more bite-sized pieces. Some of these have already broken in the package, so we're not going to worry about that. But I'm going to probably divide each stick into 4, or 3 if the stick is smaller, so they're bite-size. So if you're eating it, you don't, grab a spoonful or something and then you've got a huge piece of French toast falling off your spoon. So here we go. It's 4. And at the end we have a nice amount of French toast chunks. And as I said before, you could do this with apple pie filling, or any sort of blackberry pie filling, whatever flavor you want, whatever the season is. I happen to like the cherry. It just looks so pretty with the red. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of those French toast chunks into the mixing pan, mixing bowl. There you go. And start to stir them up, cover them, make sure the each one is coated, each of the French toast pieces are coated, just like that. And it looks like they're doing pretty good. There, a couple of pieces that are still dry. Whoops, put that back. And it's ready to be put in the casserole dish. I've preheated the oven to 350, and I'm just going to cook it until the casserole is warmed up and the French toast is cooked through. So maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I'm kind of playing it by ear. I always play it by ear when I cook. When it's ready, it's ready. I don't check for times, but you'll know it's ready too. These chunks are cooked through, and the cherry pie fillings cooked through, and it's all hot and nice. All right. If I was doing this with apple pie filling, I might put some walnuts on top, but because this is cherry, I just thought I would leave it alone. All right. So I'm going to put that in the oven. This is what it looks like, and I'll be back when it's done. Check it out. I just took it out of the oven and let it cool. I've baked it for maybe 20-25 minutes at 350. All the French toast came to the top, so it makes kind of a pretty looking crust. I have done this in the crock pot, and it's equally as delicious. However, the crust doesn't come to the top in the crock pot. Everything just is mixed together. It's also very nice, but it is especially spectacular to have something like this. So I'm going to give it a try. I had to let it cool. It was pretty hot. Take a corner here. Some a little bit of French toast and some cherry. So let's try it. It's good. It's really good. The French toast is really soft, so you can just cut it with your spoon. It is yummy. This is a great dish to have as a brunch item or as a potluck item. Easy. Dollar Tree, $2 for such a beautiful thing. Check it out again with one piece gone. Bring this and I'm sure you'll be the hit of the event. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.